literally fell out of my chair because I'm like, oh my gosh, this is a big savings per year.
We have the multi-car auto policy discount.
What are you going to do? Snoopy, get your toy. Get your toy. What's the puppy have?
Save money. It's like, yay.
With insurance through AAA, you could save hundreds every year on auto insurance and could save even more when you
going to get your toy, Snoopy?
Policies too.
Take it up on your thing?
You can rely on the service we're famous for. And
Yeah, baby, look. Hey, puppy! Puppy! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, here's something he shouldn't. Get it, Snoopy.
It's the biggest fish, but she makes me throw it back.
why did you let her throw it back?
Oh, now look at this line even.
Get it, Snoopy.
Welcome home.
Thank you. What's wrong?
Yes, Snoopy. You have your toy? You're going to give it to your puppy? Uh-oh. It fell down. It fell down, Snoopy.
Yes, I still haven't come down from the cloud.
Did it fall down?
I'm so happy for you, baby girl.
Is the puppy going to come and get it? That's the puppy over there drinking. Is the puppy drinking?
I wish everyone was.
Is he going to get a toy? What's he doing? What's he doing? Hey, Snoopy. Is the puppy going to come get it?
Did you deny it?
Hey, puppy.
No, he admitted it.
You're going to go
I hope
pee?
he got down on his knees and
Good girl, she's going to pee. Good girl.
what is it going to take?
Time breathing problems?
Hey, what you doing,
Here's
Snoopy?
the solution.
What did you find?
Is it a bandage, you ask?
Huh?
No. It's
Where did you
famous
find
for
Snoopy?
right. Ingenious
You're not hiding your toys from him, although you're still a little bit when he gets one.
nasal passages.
Then you want it.
For up to 31% more airflow. Wow.
Yeah, what are you doing?
You'll sleep better. Small strip, big
Silly.
Well, it may be too late.
Why do you say that?
Because my lovely husband hasn't even told me about the pregnancy. He seems to think I'm clueless.
So maybe he's waiting for the right time to tell you.
Is there a right time to tell your wife that you may have gotten your ex-wife pregnant?
You gotta
Is
get in,
is there a
Snoopy.
right
Go
time
play.
to do that?
Go play. Here. Here.
Yeah, I certainly do.
What is that? Snoopy, get it. Get your toy.
Has Sharon
The
told you
puppy's
that
got it.
Nick could be the father of this child?
Did he take it away?
Not yet. They're keeping secrets. They're keeping secrets, and that's not good for either one of us. Nick, you've got to stop obsessing about Cassie's prophecy.
Sharon, she told us we were going to have another daughter. She told us that on her deathbed.
She didn't know that we would get divorced and that you would marry Phyllis and have a child with her. She was just trying to make us feel better.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Puppy, get out of the litter box.
Mess up your whole family life. You know,
What's that
you
puppy
do
sitting on the litter box for?
Jack doesn't know you told me about the baby, does he?
No.
You should tell him.
It's not your
You.
decision.
Now it goes. Ah. If he was chasing him around, he got his toy and he chased him. It was just on the floor, not up on the thing. And then the puppy got it, and the puppy ran around the kitchen, and Snoopy followed him to try and get it. Oh, now he's going to go to you. There, Snoopy's luring it down. This morning it's just so it was sort of ignoring him. He didn't put those toys all together. When he came down, he put two up. I put the orange thing up, but he didn't do as much as he did last time. Snoopy, he's gonna get your toy. And he would when I'd say that, when he had it on the floor. Snoopy, get down and go right after. kitchen. Puppy, gotta go get him. She, keep on coming. Here's Snoopy. Snoopy doesn't care as much when it's not the one that he would play with. It's PJ's. Snoopy, you better get him. He's got your thing. Get him. Get him. He's got your pumpkin head. Get it, Snoopy. He's not caring anymore, because that one's his. Snoopy. You don't care, you don't care. Your puppy. Are you sharing or are you just lazy? Hi, Snoopy.
Snoopy.
Laura wants me to call her Lucy, because Snoopy Lucy is in the comic strip with Snoopy. Hey, pup. Hey, puppy. Hey, baby. Hey. You going to keep the toy? You going to keep the toy, Snoopy? Give it to the puppy. Uh-oh, he's going to get your other toy. Where'd she go, Snoopy? There she is. She's going to go through the kitchen. She's going to come the other way. There she is. Go get her, Snoopy. Go get her. Out of the litter box. Out of the litter bed. Hey, hey, where's your toy? Snoopy, where's the toy go? Go get it. To the war. Did you win, Snoop? Get it. Where'd she go? There she is. She's coming. Yeah, where'd she go? Where'd she go, Snoopy? There she is. What are you doing, little girl? What are you doing, Snoop? What? You gonna get something else? Oh, you're gonna come get me? You need some water, Snoopy? You need some water? it, Snoopy. Go get it. Here he comes. Where did the puppy go? There he is. There he is. He's got it. Go get it, Snoopy. Go get it, Snoop. Where did it go, Snoopy?
My children, they need a place where they can call home, and they don't have that, and they haven't had that for a year.
He got it, Snoopy. Did he get it? He's got it in the kitchen. Oh, Snoopy. What are you doing there, girl? What are you going to do with it? Snoopy, are you tired?
Kind of start to move forward. And it sounds like the way things are right now, you guys could really use that.
I think so.
So, you know what's going to happen?
That would be awesome.
You guys are going to Walt Disney World!
He's going to get it, Snoop.
So I thought it really important that we all get on the bus and go see what's left of their life. This family has been through so much. I mean, losing your home and all your possessions is enough. But to lose two family members at the same time, one child to the other, I think the only thing that consoles them is that they know it was an act of love. And to me, about the most amazing act of heroism I ever heard. This program is brought to you by
She has a good grip on it, Snoopy. Uh-oh, she's got it. She's got it, Snoopy. What are you going to do? Snoopy, she's going to get it. I mean, she's got it. Now what are you going to do, huh? Snoopy. You're being lazy now. See her toe. I saw her toe. Let's see now. She's got another toy, huh? Does she have another toy? What does she have?
They look great.
That is more than great-looking cars. It's smart design. It's things like hands-free voice activation. Think hands-free calling.
They go through, the puppy sneaks through there, and they go around there through the kitchen. And here they are, if I can find them on the camera. Snoopy's got it. Snoopy's got it, little girl. He's got it. He's got it. Better go get it, little girl. Oh, little puppy's got it. Snoopy, she's got it, huh? Uh-oh, there she goes again. She's going to go through the kitchen. Let's see if she does. Nope, she's going to come back and tease Snoopy.
Mark was a special kid.
It's a little bit heavy. A little bit more to carry around all the way around, I guess.
Precious hour and a half I've ever had with him. Even to see him the way he was. He was my little baby. To know that he stayed alive for us, so we can say goodbye, that means so much to me.
Teacher in the house. And we carry around these kinds of memes, these kinds of ideas, and they extend not just to those kind of silly little things. They extend to, for example, if you're a woman, what is it possible for you to do? What did you learn when you were a young girl about what women can do? When I graduated from high school in 1958, I think 1 or 2% of the people admitted to medical school and law school were women. Today, a half a century or more later, it's 50%. We've changed. But these memes are things that...
Here he goes around the circle. Where did he go, Snoopy? Did he go around the circle through the kitchen? Oh, no, he's coming back. He's coming back. She's coming back. Look, there she goes.
95% of the people...
Yep, there she goes. Is she going to come that way?
...have absolutely no genetic basis for their unhappiness, for their fear, for the kinds of things that they're taking drugs to overcome.
Good boy, Snoopy. What is it? He's got a Jew on it. Go get him, Ninja. Go get him. Ninja, go. Ninja. Go get him. All I see is your butts, you guys. Not a pretty picture. Turn around. Ninja, turn around. Good boy. There you are. Hi, Ninja. Hi, Ninja. Ninja. Ninja, you can't go in there. You got to stay outside. Ninja. Ninja. Hey. Hey, Sam. Hello, Sammy. What you doing? You guys gotta move. This is action. Hey. Ninja. Hey, pretty boy. Ninja. Hello. Oh, what's he doing? What's he doing? Ninja. Get him. Go, Snidget. Hey, guys. What are you doing? Hey, Sam. Sammy. Hey, Sam. Ninja. Whoops. Really bad at taking pictures here. Hey, Ninja. You waiting for your mama? You can't go in there. Snoop. You gonna go? Snoopy. Hello. How come every time I get the video camera out, you guys just sit like statues? And when I get the still camera out, you won't sit still. You silly boys and girl. First time the little girl gets to go outside. There she is, peeking through. There you go. Is it gonna come down? Oh, can you get down there, puppy? Yeah? It's okay. Yeah, you gonna come? You gonna come, little girl? Come on, little girl. Come on. You gonna come down? Come on, little girl. A little bit more. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. What? 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 Are you a little scared? Are you a little scared? He says, Snoopy, come and help me. You're barking at Snoopy to come and help you? Yeah. It's not a very big step. No. It's okay. You need some help? Okay. On the step? As soon as I go away, you get down from the step. Okay, you have a few more little ones. You get a few more little ones. Yeah. Okay. Come on, little girl. You can make it. Come on. Come on, little girl. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come on. You did the other little step. You did it. Come on, little girl. You're looking to Snoopy for help? Snoopy's down there. Good girl. You can do it. Good girl. You kind of fell down that last one. Good girl. Good girl. You did it. Run. Freedom. Freedom. Huh? Hey, Snoopy. The little girl got down. I'm searching it for the first time, huh? Nature. You guys always turn away from me. Snoopy, you're hiding the little girl. They're rolling around. Snoop. I think the little girl wants to hide behind you. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna roll around there too, Snoopy? You gonna roll around where the little girl was? Yeah.